In Module 3, we will discuss the synthesis cutting kit and its contents. Be sure to use proper protective equipment when altering the synthesis panels. Synthesis panels will produce silica dust, which, when inhaled, is known to cause silicosis, an irreversible but preventable lung disease. Exposure to respirable silica dust may also cause other serious diseases, including lung cancer. If panels must be cut without water, a safety dust mask approved for silica dust by OSHA is required. The synthesis cutting kit is sold separately and is comprised of the commonly used porcelain tooling that has been thoroughly tested with our products. Inside the cutting kit, you will receive a 5-inch Diamax porcelain cutting blade for altering panels, a grinding pad backer for an angle grinder, a 50 grit diamond grinding pad for grinding back and smoothing cut edges, a 3.5-inch porcelain core bit for most standard shower diverters, a 1.25-inch porcelain core bit for plumbing connections, a 3/8-inch porcelain core bit for pilot holes and screw holes, a 60 grit finger bit for contouring,